Happy Halloween everyone! In this video, I have tried craft kit from Daiso. Looks like going to woven a basket with pumpkin face on it. Let's open and see what's inside. On the inside, there is paper craft bands, orange and black colors, and detailed instructions. It says you will need scissors, ruler, white pencil, glue, and pegs. Here is my supplies. If you have measuring tape, that will come in handy. Okay, against the instructions wheel, I've decided to use hot glue gun. Don't use hot glue gun. I will tell you why later. I'm cutting the paper craft bands according to the size. By the way, I've never used this paper craft band before. Is anyone have used this material before? Please leave a comment. This material was originally for packing, but now available in so many different colors. Popular material choice for crafters in Japan. I think known as kamihimo outside of Japan. I think this is the unique part of the kamihimo. You can easily split the band. I'm using piece of same material to split the craft band. I did that to 3 30cm strips. Now I have 6 pieces in total. For the longer piece, I did split into 6 pieces. They expand a lot. Here I am hot gluing, creating the base of the basket. What went wrong with hot gluing? I think hot glue adds too much bulk compared to regular crafting glue. As I started weaving the basket, I found it so hard to do first round, and hot glue was started come apart. I started all over again with all-purpose glue. I need to go to work now. I'll be back soon. Hi, I'm back. Glue is all dried now. Great. So idea is to weave 2 strings at the same time. So one is over and under, over and under, and other do under and over instead of over and under. In the beginning, I was a little bit confused, as this is my first time doing this kind of craft, but I got hang of it. I found that first row was the hardest, as you can see the gap, but I'm not gonna worry this time, just gonna keep on going. I hope you can see better here. So under, over, under, over, under, over. So that's one. Then second string goes over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. According to the instructions, after the 10th row, should reach about 9.5 centimeter in diameter. Then flip the basket base and start bending those strips. Base is done. Keep weaving the same way for basket body. It got easier the more I weaved. I have extended my strips by gluing them. It was okay to handle after about 15 minutes. According to the instructions, weave 34 rows for the body, but my strips runs out about after 29-30 rows. So therefore, my basket is little bit stumpy, but it's okay. To finish off the basket, bend excess strips in and out. Alternate, so one is inside and the next one is outside, like that. For the end of excess strips, insert under the weaving, just like that. And I have glued down the thinner strips. Yay, basket is done! From here should be easy. Here I am cutting the handle, just rounding the corners. And glue the handle down. For the pumpkin face, you can get creative with it, but I just pretty much follow the instructions. This basket is getting a whole lot cuter with face on it. I love it, so cute! Thank you for watching, everyone. I have another Halloween crafting video coming up. Make sure to tune in for that. This is Crafty Magic by Kazue saying goodbye and happy Halloween!